What if I told you there's a way to measure your car's performance with just your phone? Picture this: 2 apps, 1 phone, and a clear answer to how fast. No expensive gear needed. I'm about to show you the ultimate battle between 2 smartphone telemetry tools every car enthusiast is talking about. Today we're diving deep into Dragy versus TrackAddict, the most popular phone-based telemetry tools changing how we capture performance. Here's the dilemma splitting the car community: precision versus creativity. Accurate performance metrics matter, from lap times to 0-60s, but tools aren't one-size-fits-all. Do you want raw, repeatable numbers, or do you want cinematic context that shows how you drove? Dragy Pro is built for precision. 25 Hz GPS, motion sensors, exact acceleration times, braking distances, and drag strip results. Perfect for logging and comparisons. TrackAddict leans into storytelling. Synchronized video with overlays of speed, lateral Gs, and lap sectors. And when paired with RaceRender, you get polished, shareable runs that show not just speed, but technique. Let's break it down with a clear pros and cons view. Dragy's strength is repeatable, high-frequency numeric data, ideal for tuning and benchmarking. Its weakness, limited visual context. TrackAddict's strength is video overlays and rich visual feedback, ideal for coaching, content, and understanding driver inputs. Its trade-off, slightly more setup and post-processing to extract pure scientific numbers. From data fidelity to storytelling value, each tool fills a distinct role depending on your goals. Now the fun part, side by side in identical conditions. I ran the same acceleration passes with both tools mounted and recorded. Dragy spit out crisp 0-60 and 60-130 splits with millisecond consistency. TrackAddict produced the same time windows, but wrapped in on-car video, speed overlays, and G-force traces. Watch the graphic that compares 0-60 side by side, numbers on one side, video overlay on the other, and notice how each clarifies a different truth about the run. So, which is best? For drag racers and anyone chasing reproducible numbers, Dragy is unbeatable for hard data. For track day drivers, coaches, and creators who want to tell the run story, TrackAddict wins for context and visuals. Which tool do you use? Drop your experience in the comments, tell me your favorite run, and check out my other videos on performance upgrades. Join me next time for more head-to-head gear tests.